For installing baseboards like a professional, you need the right set of tools and a clear sequence of steps to ensure clean joints and secure mounting. Start with a compound miter saw with a laser guide and use it for precise angle cuts on both inside and outside corners. Set the saw to the exact angle measured rather than assuming 45 degrees and test cuts on scrap to confirm fit. Use a coping saw to cut profiles for inside corners where the face of one board overlaps the other. Cope by cutting a relief line and then pare back the waist to follow the profile so pieces fit tight without gaps. Mark all cut lines with a sharp pencil and label each piece for location so you avoid confusion during installation, and use masking tape on painted surfaces to protect finishes while cutting and nailing. Locate studs with a stud finder and mark them along the wall so you know exactly where to drive your brad nails or staples for the strongest hold. When nailing into tile or masonry, use adhesive instead of nails. Apply a thin bead of wood glue at mitered joints and use a round file to slightly radiused inside edges for tighter fitting joints. A small activator brush helps set the adhesive fast where needed. Finish by running a bead of paintable caulk along the top edge, use a wet rag to remove excess before it skins over, and sand lightly, then touch up with paint to hide seams and fastener holes. The most common mistake is poor measurement leading to gaps at corners. Avoid this by measuring twice, cutting once, and making dry fit assemblies before final nailing. Another frequent issue is splitting or loose boards from nailing too close to the edge or into unsupported drywall. Solve this by locating studs, using a brad nailer or stapler set to the correct depth, and applying adhesive on long runs to share the load. A third concern is visible seams and nail holes after installation. Prevent and correct this by filling holes with painter's putty, caulking the top edge with a steady hand, and sanding smooth before painting so the trim reads as a continuous, professional finish. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by listing projects and connecting people who need help. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and tradespeople exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experiences about projects like baseboard installation.